In this video, you'll learn a fast and reliable way to import contacts into Pipedrive. This process will help you organize your data correctly and ensure everything is mapped accurately in your CRM. Start by opening Pipedrive and heading to Contacts on the left pane. This takes you to your list of people and organizations. From here, look toward the top of the list for the Add Person button. Right next to it, you'll see a small caret icon. Click that caret to reveal more options and choose Import Data. Before you upload anything, click Download Template File at the top right. Open the template and align your data to match its columns. Common fields include first name, last name, organization, email, and phone. Keep each contact on its own row. Use clear column headers and avoid merging cells. Make sure emails are in a standard format. Phone numbers are consistent, and names are properly split if possible. Save your file in a supported format like CSV or XLSX. Now head back to the import screen. Click Import and upload your file. Pipedrive will then guide you through mapping, which is where you connect your file's columns to Pipedrive's fields. On the left, you'll see the column names from your file. On the right, choose the matching field in Pipedrive. If Pipedrive finds any columns it doesn't recognize, either map them to the correct field or leave them unmapped if they're not needed. Once everything looks good, proceed with the import and let Pipedrive process your file. You'll see your contacts appear in the list, neatly organized and ready to use. And that's it. Click Contacts, open the Import menu, download and match the template, then import, upload, and map. Quick, clean, and efficient. You're now ready to import contacts with confidence and keep your CRM organized from the start. If this helped, subscribe for more practical Pipedrive tips and tutorials to improve your workflow.